Good day everyone. So we'll be cutting the shadow facing of this outfit, and this is how to do it. If you want to cut a shadow facing of an outfit that you already cut, this we are working with this off-white. Now what you need to do is you can just see that this is a plain material and you need a contrasting fabric to do that, and that's why I'm making use of this, and that's what we'll be doing. And first thing to do is that by the time you are bringing this together, you ensure that you fold this depending on how wide the neck of the outfit is. That's what will determine that. So you place it after you have folded into two. You place it like this, and this is the back panel. You place the back panel on the material that you are using as your shadow facing. So after that, you ensure that this align the back panel aligns with what you are using as a shadow facing. So you place it very well that it aligns very well. They are aligned like this. So you bring your front panel. Ensure that your front panel, if you look at this one, you discover this is, the armhole region, so that the armhole region of the front panel is on the back panel as well. So you bring it like this. Now while you are doing that, ensure that this shadow facing, the material you are using as for the shadow facing, ensure that you can see this is the neck of the outfit. This is the neck. By the time you are placing it, ensure that this extends beyond the neck region. This is the neck region. Let it extend to, like, look at this now. This is the neck region, and this has extended, like, let's say like half an inch. But most often I ensure that I use half an inch or 0.75, or what we call 3/4. So you ensure that it extends by half an inch or 3/4. So by the time you place it like this, because after you have joined everything together, if you do not allow it to extend by half an inch or 3/4, what that is going to do for you is that by the time you have joined everything together, this shadow facing will come up like this, and the purpose for which you have done that will not be achieved. So what you're going to do now is this. So you allow it to extend by half an inch or 3/4. So it is that 3/4 that will cover up. So after you have joined everything together, what will be seen at the end of the day is just the material showing in the neck region after you have joined together. So I'm extending this one by 3/4 or 0.75. So after that, you cut it, and you come to this side. Don't forget I said it should be aligned properly. Arrange it with your end, and after that you cut it. You cut it. You can see that I'm using a contrasting material to do my shadow facing. Please, if you are doing that, ensure you use a contrasting material. Most often, if you know they want to do, if your fabric or the fabric you're working with as for the outfit is plain, you can use something like this. And if you know that it's not plain, it's a busy material with stripes and all, you can use a plain material, and as well you can as well use this flowery material. So you lift it up like this. You can either make it straight. You're the one that determines what you want it to look like inside. Maybe you want to give it any shape, or most often I don't use this. I ensure I have something like spherical bottom line. So this is what I do. So ensure you trim it very well. So this is for our shadow facing. Let's place it on the outfit now. I just place it like this. You can see it covers So this is the way it's going to look like after you have joined it. Thank you.